When Forrester surveyed firms in Southeast Asia growth markets about their business priorities, we found that organizations are focusing on driving adaptiveness, resilience, innovation, but also customer experience improvements as key priorities. And cloud is a key technology enabler that helps firms achieve their objectives. IT organizations see public cloud as a way to build their own competitive edge. We found that public cloud helps IT teams most by providing access to technology innovation, speeding up development and time to market, all in support of their business priorities. For example, in Indonesia, 45% of firms surveyed are using public cloud to build new apps and services. Only 1/4 name lower cost of infrastructure as their main reason to use public cloud. An increased use of cloud is firmly among the top technology initiatives for the next 12 months. We found that 40% of firms in Asia Pacific see increasing use of public cloud as a higher critical priority for their organization, alongside increasing their security, data and analytics capabilities. This is a further indication that firms in the region see the value of cloud to achieve their business priorities and execute on their digital transformation. While most firms follow a hybrid cloud strategy, we expect public cloud to become the primary cloud platform for organizations going forward.